the fact of the matter is that some of the old, let me call it the old traditional forms of engineering, are still important, but we may not need as many people as we did in the past. But having those people available and understanding the principles, the fundamental principles, is critical and important.
Mm.
If you look at the emerging ones, the whole area of advanced robotics and now in particular AI is the next wave, right? And so I would see, within the colleges over the next few years that there'll probably be a less of an emphasis on the software coding side of things here, but more of an emphasis on AI and AI tools and how engineers need to be able to work with and utilize these new tools. And I call AI a tool to drive improvements. And we're I'd say we're, anyone who's in the kind of education side of it, and we do a lot of training courses like that, we're looking at it very carefully at the moment. But if you ask me, 3 years ago, I'd have been talking, yeah, doing a little bit of AI. Now today, it's kind of, oh my God, this thing, I've never seen a technology come in and transform so fast as AI has just done over the last 18 months.